So the Aster Season 3 is here, and how you're able to go and earn points, get your allocation, and also how to maximize your points, because we're gonna be checking that there are bonuses now. So with that said, make sure to leave a like and we jump straight to the laptop. And this is the stage 3. We are already earning points. The team boost is already kicking in. We're gonna get to 1.5 tomorrow, so come and join my team. If you didn't, it's gonna update tomorrow, and we are already there now. It's good to know. First of all, as you see here, I am trading over here. I got an Aster long, I got a position. And how do you earn points? Well, as before, yes, with all the trading, longing and shorting, but there is one key feature in my opinion right now, which it is that spot holding and trading like this one that we do have, it's going to count. Hopefully also the retroactive one, it is going to count, or holding spot. In that case would be amazing, but that is the first thing. As we see here, they start to have this wave of symbol boost for Aster Dawn. So now, for example, if you trade on spot Aster, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, you get a 1.5x multiplier on all of the symbols. You also get a 1.5 multiplier by joining my team. So that's a 1.7 for the daily, especially if you trade perpetual, like I am doing Aster or Hype, Aya, Koi, and all of this one. You get a point boost. So now they started to introduce all of these point boosts per token, which is why currently I also do have a long over on Aster, which by the way counts in terms of the amount that you trade, the volume that you trade, the continuity, the length of your trade, how long a trade is open for, and all of those. We know that the Season 2 airdrop is coming very soon, and you will be able to go and get the allocation and claim the airdrop very soon. So this one is the first thing to go and do. However, one thing that I also want to take to your attention is that over on the DeFi Llama right here, which we can go and check, there is this number 6 spot, which by the way is gonna come number 4, because we got Pacifica at a $1.3 billion. Now we first saw this at a $700 million 24-hour volume. Now they're at a 1.2, 1.3 daily. So make sure to come and join them. And this is the platform. And I will leave the link down below. It is a closed beta, meaning that only X amount of numbers of people will be able to enter this one. So first come, first serve. Make sure that you are in a hurry. And as we see here, we have point system going on already. We had the volume to make points over on Pacifica. They did something really cool, which is to try and get rid of all the bots, and you need a 10,000 daily volume. So basically means a $200 position, you open it at a 50x, you make 10,000 daily volume to be able to receive the point. This is basically taking away all the wash trading and all the small traders that just rinse the point up. So definitely go and check it out. Close beta, as we said, point is live, link will be down below, and sooner or later, come back here, we will see Pacifica number 4 with about 2 billion in trading volume per day. So do not miss it. Get in early, go and trade. The link, I will leave the link down below, and make sure to go and do it. This is if you want a perpetual decentralized exchange that is not oversaturated or too too many people doing it. For example, Aster over here, there's a lot of people that already took part in Aster. There's a lot of people who are gonna take part in Aster Season 3. Is it worth farming? Absolutely yes. There's still like 20% of the airdrop still need to go to allocation, as there is a 53.5% total airdrop supply, so there is still a lot of money to be made on Aster. But if you want to be early to something, to a closed beta, then Pacifica right here is the best one, standing at number 6, overtaking everybody and slowly getting the number 4 spot, and then looking for the 3 and 1. This is a Solana based ecosystem. As well, if you want to know all the trading and technical analysis and all of that, come and join my Telegram community. As we see here, we share for free, no strings attached. Simply join, the link is down below. Link, Poly, AVAX, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, all the price analysis, all the technical analysis that you might need, you will find them right here. So definitely make sure to come and join. And for example, here we shared the pump one today, which we are gonna go and tell people to come and look. But come and join. It is free to go and earn and join. Link will be down in the description below. But talking about Aster, super good one. Don't fade it. I would suggest you come and join right now. Talking about Aster, the Season 3, it's already underway. As we see here, by the way, the Season 2, you will be able to claim it right here from the airdrop on October 14. You will be able to claim it right here. But the Season 3 is bringing kind of a few updates. We also have a new dashboard. As we see here, we see all the points that you get from the trading points, from the position point. Position means that based on the holding time and position size that you have, for example, it's updated daily. This one I will get if I hold it until tomorrow. It's a $1,200 position. As we see here, it's a $127 at 10x over on the Aster token. I will get the rewards tomorrow. This update on a daily. This is the stable coins. This is the profit points, which means based on the net profit from your past hours and also your loss. So if you get liquidated, you make points. If you make profit, you also make points. And if you got a community, you get a referral point just like before. But it's already starting. 9,000 point, rank 15,000, which is actually not bad. And this is just a continuation. As we see here, it goes for about Epoch 1 goes for 1 week, then 2 weeks, 3 weeks. It's a 5-week epoch here. So the airdrop season 3 will be a 5-week base. So come and do it as soon as you can. Come and participate as soon as possible. One thing that I would suggest you, however, is if you do like and you want to keep on going with Aster because you have, you look at Aster and like it's going to go to $4, it's going to go to $5. The airdrop is worth it. Absolutely, it's going to be worth it. Yes, but it's also worth to go and enter a protocol at the very, very early stages, just like we saw here with Aster. Super early, closed beta, do not fade it. A link will be down below. Don't fade also a community that is free to go and enter, such as mine over on Telegram, which I would suggest you to then. Of course, I'm no financial advisor. I don't know. I don't predict the future. But these are the two best ones. We got Aster and we got Pacifica. Both of them, not both of them. Aster, in my opinion, oversaturated, especially season 3. Potentially could be a little bit less season 3, but there's a lot of people trading on Aster. And Pacifica, in my opinion, very, very much undervalued. So do of that as you wish. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think, and I will see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.